Hi, I'm Maris, and today I'm going to talk about DeFi blocks, which is a nice little script that creates smart contract Solidity code based on a Blockly block that I created for this hackathon. So to start with, I just randomly chose a strategy from the Yearn starter pack repository on GitHub. It's the DAI compound basic strategy, and I had a look how to decompose it a bit, and if there is some common logic that I could reuse. And I created basically a templated version of it. And so I could map my block variables to those template variables. And to demonstrate that, I have prepared here this block in the Advanced Playground from Google, which is a nice tool to visualize your blocks that you have, and also to play around with it a bit, to get a feeling how it works and what could be done. So as you see, you could just easily plug these parts of the block in and out, and it's a really nice experience, I think, to program a smart contract in that way. And on the right-hand side, you have XML representation of this block, which we could then just copy. For now, I just copy it. Later, it would be nice to just have this like integrated. And then we can just go to our DeFi block definition and just paste it here. So now we have the representation of our block inside our code, and above we have the model for the block, which I created earlier already in the block factory from Google. So that's basically it. Here we have the templated version of the smart contract from Yearn, which looks kind of ugly, but yeah, it needs to look that way. And the template is read here. And then we read also the XML, and we just loop over the values, and we just regex replace all the values. And in the end, we get an generated smart contract, which has like all the values replaced. And yeah, you don't see any template variables in it anymore, and hopefully this compiles. And this would be like also like one of the next improvements that could be used to pipe this immediately into compiler or integrate it into IDE or something like that, because I think there's a lot of boilerplate code and a lot of stuff that yeah, could be improved for developers of smart contracts. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for listening.